It is me, the Frozen King. By the way, this is all right. So I'm gonna be starting intros now, but this not today in this video. So say goodbye. Yeah. No. Huh?
Where are you? There you are, Frozen.
No, you can have all my candy. That's not even mine. All right. Anyways, so we're messing around with you know who, Dave from Bros. I don't think I even posted Bros yet. So we're just gonna be following him with the same route.
Hey.
I looked back and he was right next to me. Oh my god. That's so scary.
Frozen.
This is burning my dick. I'm back!
In the mines.
Hey guys, sorry that this took me so long to post. That's why Dave looks different.
Well, it is, bruh.
He's like a train again.
Ah!
He's doing that thing again.
Oh no, please don't do it.
He's here.
He's doing it. Where's he? He tricked me. He likes to trick. Ice! Don't get near me. Ah! Is he gonna kill me? He's glitched. Oh my god. He's not gonna come back. Oh, he's coming back! Oh, I got stuck. Whee! Hey Dave, what's up? Stop! Going right behind me! Ah! I couldn't move!
Dave.
No, my controllers died. No. Ah! Come on, work!
Which one, the left or right?
Work, hold up. I'm actually not kidding. They died. Hold on.
Both of them?
Help me, guys.
Frozen,
Help
I need
me.
to push you.
Help me.
Frozen,
He's right behind
I
you.
need to push you in there. No, he's not. I just almost reported you, I think. Frozen, go. Please. Wait, Frozen, turn around. I think it's but remember whenever we were at the couch area, you were pushing me turn around again. Here, I need to keep pushing you so Dave don't get you. Frozen, we're done.
Right whenever you push me in, I put my batteries in.
Bruh, I did.
Yeah, right whenever you push me in, I put my batteries in and he killed me. Thanks for helping me. Bro, I put the same batteries in. I got some new batteries, but I can't put them in. Right, I slid. No, wait, I can't get back in there. I slid. Why did I slid?
Yes, Dad, he wants to go with
Push me. Oh, thank you.
Frozen, I can't.
That's scary. Don't push me. I put my new batteries in. What are you doing pushing me in? What happened? How the hell did he do that?
I think he's stuck.
Is he? I'm scared. I'm sorry. That's my sister. Sorry. She's annoying. Sorry.
Stop! Ow!
My dick is burning. Why did I think putting a portable charger in there felt weird? Well, it kept falling out of my pants. Oh, I'm in party chat. Bug it.
Ew.
I didn't mean to. No! I was doing a video! Doing a video! Don't play around! Don't play around!
Where are you? Wait, I'm just gonna look inside real quick. One time.
All I did is not.
No, you're not supposed to tell him your real name. Bro, yeah it is. Now my